Hi guys, and check out this beautiful calculator that I put together using Python. So let me show you guys how this works. I'm going to first of all clear the entry and let's select something else and add that together. There we go. We can even backspace. So you can see, let's use plus minus. Let's multiply that by 4. There. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to exit out and we start a new project entirely. Let's select file, new project. And in here, the first thing we want to do is to import as follows. So we import the following. So I'm importing Tkinter as TK, and from Tkinter, we import font. Next, I want to create a class. I want to call that Advanced Calculator. Make sure you enter column in there. Next, let's define the function. So function, enter initialize, and this is self, comma, root. Close that. Next is going to be, let's say self dot root will be equals root. And there guys, I now have my title. I call it Advanced Calculator. That's the geometry, the size, and I have my background. Let's enter a comment there. That's the background. So you won't be able to resize the calculator. Next, I'm going to create a variable here. Let's just say variable. And this variable is going to be self dot current inputs, and the value is going to be nothing. Then I'm going to create another one for total. The total, let's say underscore expression, and that is going to be equals nothing as well. And next, I'm going to define the color that I intend to use. And right there, guys, I've just defined the colors that I intend to use. There they are. And I add a bit of comment so that you guys should understand that. Next is the font that I intend to use. All right. So the next thing is, let's increase the size of this so that you guys can see it properly. So come right here, options, configure, and let's make it about maybe 16 or 18. Apply, that's fine. Okay, next, I'm going to now set up a UI or UI setup. Let's come down here, just say UI setup. Okay, so I've just created the UI setup there, and that's for the display and the buttons, and this is for keyboard binding. Next, now let's create a function. This very function, I want it to create display, and there we go. Those are my functions right there. And there they are. Have a good look at it, and that's also the layout for the buttons. Okay, so let me just save this before I continue. So I'm going to save it right in here. Just call it calculator YT. YT. All right, that'll do. Save. All right. So the next thing is I'm now going to then create frame for the button. I'm going to make that 4 by 5, and right underneath here, that is it right there. Okay. And the next thing is create a button dynamically as well. Okay. And there we go, guys. So I'm going to move this down just to speed up things. Next has binding for the keys. Bring it down. When the button is clicked, text to be displayed, and the C to undo declare. Y, this is for the backspace, and those are the lines of code for that. Then I also have plus minus in there, the plus minus function. Then I have the percentage function, the equals, that's for the equals. Then the function that handles the arithmetic operator using an if statement, a conditional statement that handles the operators. Okay, then that is for the decimal. And there. So right here, I've actually looped the program again. So I'm going to run it. Let's run it and see how that's going to look like. And I'll show you guys the lines of codes all over again. There we go. Look at that. Let's say 25 multiplied by 4. There. 100 plus there. Okay, let me show you guys the lines of code. Let's take it from the top. Then we'll bring it right down here to the key. And there again. If you want this code, just send me a message and I'll send it to you guys. There we go. And there. I had to speed things up because it's a long lines of codes. Run it again. And again. Okay guys, so I'm going to run the program one more time. I have other calculators on board anyway. I just feel this one is good to be shared. So run. There. So with that guys, I'm calling the end of this brilliant tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it, and please do subscribe to my channel. And you can also join to become a member of the channel. You'll have a nice day now, and bye for now. Bye for now, guys.